Hello guys, welcome back to Mom's Medicine. Today I'm making a keratin hair mask using cornstarch, molasses, and castor oil. Cornstarch may help encourage hair growth and is a natural thickener that can add volume and body to thin hair. It's also great for creating texture and adding hold to styles. Molasses instantly grows hair. It contains high levels of iron, calcium, magnesium, and overall health. Castor oil contains vitamin E, omega fatty acids, and minerals that promote stronger, smoother strands. Use this hair keratin for 30 minutes with a shower cap before you shampoo your hair